Hello everyone, Siddharth this side, and in this video we will be solving another question on Geek for Geeks, which is parenthesis checker. So what we have to do in this question is that we have given an input expression in a string format, and what we have to do, we have to return boolean as a data type, and we have to check if this string that we have given uh, is a balanced bracket or not. What is a balanced bracket? Let's see. So for for every open bracket, there should be a closing bracket in a string. This we can say that our given string is a balance uh, balance bracket. So suppose this is string. So this bracket after square. So for every open bracket, there is a closing bracket here. So this is a balance string. So how we can solve this problem? So uh, if you have studied stack, then while studying stack, the first problem that you that you have solved is algebraic expression, where we solve where we calculate the value of a string. Suppose 3 plus 5, this is a string, 3 plus 5 divided by 2. So this is a given string and we have to calculate its value. So this is also that kind of problem. And if you have studied this well, then generating intuition for this problem will be very, very easy. So let me see if the recording is going on or not. Okay, so recording is going on. So let's start how we can solve this problem using stack. So first we will make a stack st, and if we find an open bracket, we will push that into a stack. Then there is another open bracket, we will push it, then another. Now this is not an open bracket. So while the bracket is not the open bracket, then we have to apply a condition. First, the condition should be, if our open bracket suppose is this, then the bracket that should be on the top of our stack should be the closing open bracket for the same bracket. So this is the condition that we have to apply, and we can solve this question very easily. And the first intuitive method that can come into our mind is that we will apply two pointer I and j, and we will start checking from this end and this end. But there is a problem in this approach, is that what if we have given unbalanced bracket here, this, then this, then we will get error in this approach. So the best approach for solving this kind of question, these kind of question will be using stack. So let's start solving this question now. So first, guys, we will make our stack. So stack of character, st is equal to new stack, stack. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to start uh, a for loop so that we can traverse our string. So I less than x dot length I plus plus. Now we will find out our current character. So char current is equals to st, sorry, char current is equals to x dot char at index I. This will give us our first character of our string in the first iteration. Now what we have to do, we have to check what kind of bracket it is, whether it is open bracket or it is closed bracket. So if our current character is equals to this, or our current is equals to uh, this, and another one will be current is equals to this, is going to be this. Now if any of these three bracket we will be getting as current, then what we have to do, we have to push this character into a stack. Otherwise what we have to do, we have to first check if our string stack is empty. So if our st dot is empty is true, then we will be returning false, as there is no closing bracket or the string is empty. So now what we have to do, so if our string is empty, then we will be returning false. Otherwise what we have to do, we have to uh, get out our current character. So int, sorry, char top, that will equals to, sorry, okay, char top is equals to st dot pop. So this will pop out the character at the top of the string. Now what we have to do, we have to check if if this if our current character is equals to uh, suppose this is a current character, and another condition is the top character is not the same closing bracket, same opening bracket, then we have to return false. We have to do this for all the three cases. So this top does not equals to this one. Okay, now I will just copy paste here. Okay, another bracket should be here. Now in this case what we have to return, we have to return false, as we have got unbalanced brackets. That's why we are getting current as this closing bracket. Let's modify this also. Okay, let's take this bracket as well. Okay, so what's the error here? Okay, so after doing this, in the end what we have to do, we have to return. So if our stack is empty, then we have to return true, as all the brackets are balanced already. Otherwise, we have to return false. If something left in our string, if something left in our stack, then it is confirmed that there is unbalanced bracket in our string. So we will be returning st dot is empty. Okay, now let's try to run this code. What's the error? Okay, so this should be like this. Okay, now let's try to submit this problem. So all the test case have been processed. So thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.